Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to show you how to install our Stage Series Chase Light Kit like you see here on this 2021 Honda Talon. And if you went with our reverse light kit, the installation process will be the same. Let's get started. Slide the roll bar mount over the roll cage in the location you prefer. We'll be placing ours at the top of the cage near the roof. Add the mounting platform and secure it using the included long 5mm Allen bolt, washers, and nut. Tighten using a 5mm Allen and a 10mm wrench. Grab the included L bracket and secure it using the included bolt, washer, and lock washer. Tighten using a 5mm Allen. Now we can add our universal brackets to our SSC2s. Slide the U bracket over our pod and place the 5/32 Allen bolt and secure it hand tight with the included locking nut. We can secure our pod to the roll bar mount using the included bolt washers, lock washer, and nut. Tighten using a 13mm wrench and repeat this process for both sides. At the rear, release 3 metal clips holding the battery cover in place and remove it. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the positive and negative connections on the battery and add the positive and negative leads from the harness. Secure the fuse and relay, then replace the battery cover. Next, use a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to remove 3 clips. With the trim piece loose, route the switch and DT connector through. Replace the clips we removed. Route the switch to the desired location, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. We're routing ours along the driver's side roll bar and mounting near the driver's seat using zip ties. Route the DT connectors to each pod. We'll route the driver's side directly up to our first pod, then route the other connector along the roll bar to our passenger side. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties and put everything back together the same way we took it apart. As you can see, with our SSC2 Chase Kit installed, not only will you have that off-road styling, but you'll also have a significant amount of added light for visibility with the addition of an amber running light when the main beam isn't in use. And if you went with our reverse light option, you'll have a white main beam and a red running light. If you're interested in picking up a Chase Light Kit, reverse light kit, or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.